A lot of folks want to know, at least moms and dads, will my child be burning up as soon as they get to the bus stop early this morning or next morning, and also coming home as well?
Yes, the humidity will definitely be real, but Ron, the good news is the temperatures will be slightly, and I do mean slightly, cooler than what we've been seeing. In fact, highs are going to be in the upper 80s opposed to the low 90s, but that's thanks to this rain and this cold front that just won't leave us alone. Here's a closer look at what we're monitoring right now. We do have a few heavy downpours that are there in East Georgia. You can see all the lightning strikes. If you put a pause to it, take the lightning off, you can see it's just a small cluster of storms, but it's definitely making its presence known. In fact, there's a brand new flash flood warning in effect for Banks and Jackson counties until 10:15 this evening. This does include Brazelton, Commerce, and Jefferson. This is Maysville, not McKaysville, that we're looking at in North Georgia, so it's very important to note. But this shower has definitely just stalled out right over Banks and Jackson County and parts of Madison. In fact, over the last few hours, it's already collected maybe 5.5 inches of rain, and that can be very detrimental. And if we put into motion, you can see it's not moving very fast. It just is continuing to dump a lot of heavy rain. It has several lightning strikes as well. South of there, south of I-20, near Covington and almost near McDonough, a little bit east of there, we're seeing a few showers develop along that line. Here in Metro Atlanta and the airport, we are dry. Currently 88 degrees, but it feels like 93 when you factor in the humidity. Over the next few hours, these showers and thunderstorms in East Georgia will be continuing. So that's why that flash flood warning is in effect until 10:15, because unfortunately, we're still looking at some pretty decent amount of rain between now and the next 2 hours or so. So hopefully we don't see any flooding concerns in that area. But if you know you live in a flood prone area in Jackson, Banks, or even Madison County, I would say just make sure that you are being very weather aware in the next few hours. By the time we head into the overnight hours, we will be mostly dry, which is great news for any kiddos that are going back to school in the morning. Highs tomorrow, anywhere from 80 to 88 degrees. It's going to be a little more comfortable temperature wise, but that's because we have some more rain showers that will be developing. It looks like by lunchtime, we could be seeing a few isolated showers. Then those isolated showers turned into scattered showers for your commute home. We dry out overnights, and then we prepare for the same exact thing for Tuesday, except you can see by Tuesday afternoon, we're seeing some more heavy rain showers develop than what we will see for tomorrow. So definitely want to make sure you have your rain gear handy. Maybe send the kids with an umbrella or maybe a poncho, a raincoat at the very least. Our precipitation chances will stay around 30% in the next 7 days. We're having a lot of tropical moisture that's bringing us this rain. Not a tropical system, but you can kind of see how it starts to move coming in from the Atlantic and is bringing us a lot more rain. So we definitely have to continue to keep our eye on that flooding potential, because we've already had so much rain, and we're talking about maybe seeing another 1 to maybe even 3 inches of rain in the next 5 to 7 days. So once again, we want to make sure that you are prepared. Here's a look at your rainfall comparison between our American model and our European model. They're almost spot on. So like I said, maybe around 1 to 2 inches of rain. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast for you. Temperatures starting off the week a little bit more comfortable, just slightly. Then we start to see our highs returning back to the low 90s. Make sure that you have your rain gear handy and you find those kids' raincoats as they head back for the first week of school.